Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm with the Bell Museum, and today I'll be talking through the space race activity.
So within this activity pack, you'll get some space cards that show the sun and all the different planets, and each card has information on the back. Then you'll also get a set of posters of each of these cards to set up in the large area where the scouts will be doing the activity. We provide a trivia sheet with questions you can ask, and all of the answers to these questions can be found on the back of the cards.
So ahead of the event starting, you're going to want to set up all your different planet posters in a large area with enough room for scouts to walk and move in between each of the planets, and you can set out all the planet cards on the table with the sun being the starting point. After that is set up, once scouts come up to you, you can start asking them different questions. We provide both data-based and opinion-based questions that you can ask scouts, and they'll race to the planet they believe is the answer. So, for example, you could ask, which planet appears to rotate on its side? And then the scouts would race to the answer that they believe it is. And yep, you're right, it is Uranus. And to expand on the activity, you can incorporate different movement styles like running, hopping, and skipping, and come up with your own questions to ask.